This is Rob Guthins, the ServiceMaster Advanced Cleaning and Restoration in Mobile, Alabama. This is part 2 of a water restoration project where we're removing hardwood floors and plywood subfloors from this home. The process of demolition has just started. What they're going to do, the first video showed the hardwood floors similar to these all throughout this foyer. And as you can see, the water came from an ice maker that was in this bar. Ice maker's gone, and it created a water and mold situation. And as you can see the staining in the plywood subfloor. So they have started the demolition and throughout the foyer, into the kitchen, and basically they're going to replace the hardwood floors in this entire home. And if you have water damage restoration that was unattended to, and you need this type of work done, we do water, mold, and fire. Call us at ServiceMaster Advanced Cleaning and Restoration. ServiceMaster, the master of disaster. 251-653-9333.